Excuse me, ma.
Yes.
Can I ask you a question, please?
Yeah, go ahead.
And can you explain how water get into the coconut, please?
Okay. I'm going to explain based on my own understanding.
Yes.
You know, as a biology student,
Yeah.
I can say that water gets into a coconut through transpiration or aspiration.
Yes.
Transpiration is a process whereby water, a plant trap water from underneath, like when the root of the plant absorb water and spread it throughout the whole of the plant, maybe
Yes.
through the leaf, you spread it to the leaf, the branches and the fruit and all this part. And you notice that whenever coconut is growing,
Yeah.
coconut first of all grow with the shell come out first.
Yes.
That outer
Yes.
part, that green
Yes.
part
Yes.
first. So when the water gets into during that time when that is formed, when the shell is formed and it's growing, water have already started entering there. That is why sometimes when you break an unripe coconut,
Yeah.
you find out there is water inside. Maybe the fruit have not formed, that edible part has not formed, but you see that there is water there. The water there may be tasting like normal water, it may not be sweet.
Okay.
So that is how water gets. When that water gets there, when that green part is formed, water gets into it. Then as the coconut is developing, other parts is formed, such as that hard shell. Thank you.
My next question is now this: how do you think that the water in the coconut did not evaporate or get dry?
Okay, that is a good question. I told you that first of all, that green part is formed. Now, when that green part is formed, the shell is supposed to form first. That hard brown part inside. So when that hard brown part is formed, that is when water gets into the coconut through the aspiration. Because if water gets into the coconut before then, it may go out through when sun is shining, the thing can be evaporating. So water gets into the coconut after the green part, the shell is formed. So water stays there.
Okay.
That
That
is
is why the water did not dry.
Yes, the shell is
Okay.
preventing it from drying.
Okay. My next question is now: how did the water in the coconut get sweet? What make it to be sweet?
Alright, that's a very good question. You know that coconut sweetness varies.
Yes.
Not their sweetness are not always the same. Some are very sweet, some are just like tasting like water they
Yes.
added little sugar. So the sweetness of the water depends on how sweet the coconut itself is. So when that water gets into the coconut and the edible part is being formed, the edible part, the water itself mixes with the edible part. That is the water there. When the water gets there, you are not expecting it to be tasting water like water. So it will be extracting some sweetness from the edible part of that coconut.
Okay.
So when you break the coconut, and also the water, the taste of the water determine how sweet the coconut
Okay.
may fresh is, because when you drink some water of the coconut water, you notice that it's not that sweet.
Yeah.
When you also eat the fruit, most of the times the fruit will not be sweet, but sometimes, or in rare cases, the fresh will be sweeter than the water, and in some cases the water will be sweeter than the fresh.
Okay.
So that's
You
how.
mean that the coconut water now gets the sweetness from the coconut shell?
Yes, that's not from the shell, from the
From
fruit,
the fruits
white,
inside.
that white
Okay.
fruit.
Okay.
That's how it is.
Thank you very much.